Hello friends, hope you're doing well. So today's video topic is how to reset Windows 10 without losing any data. So in this process, all the data in your desktop, or if you have any other partition, all the data will remain safe in this process. So there will be no data loss at all. And if you are using a licensed operating system, in this process, your license will also remain safe. So let's start the process. To reset your Windows 10, you have to click on this Windows icon and type reset this PC, and you will see this option reset this PC. Click on it. Now in the recovery column, you will see this option reset this PC. Click on it, get started. Now you will see these two options, keep my files and remove everything. If you select the first option, keep my files, in that case all the data in your desktop will remain safe. And if you select the second option, remove everything, in that case all the data will remove. So go for the first one, keep my files. Now select this option, local reinstall. Now in additional settings, click on next. Ready to reset this PC, change settings back to their default mode. Keep personal file, so all the data in your desktop will remain safe. There will be no data loss in this process. Reinstall Windows from this device, so your Windows will reinstall. But the only drawback with this option is all the applications you have in your system will remove. This is the only drawback. All the softwares you have in your system will remove, but your data will remain safe in this process. So simply click on reset, and it will take around 20 to 30 minutes to complete, and it will reset your PC without losing any data.